What's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2017 Ford Explorer Sport in white platinum pearl tri-coat, powered by the 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 engine underneath the hood. It has leather seats throughout and seating for up to 6 people. Let's go take a look. Coming into the middle row seating area, here is a door panel. Storage down below with a cup holder, nice leather padding for an arm, power window switch, great style, chrome door handles throughout. Lots of footroom here for the middle seating area, along with plenty of headroom. Of course, panoramic sunroof, love it. I love all the red stitching on the seats. There's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat, and there's a pocket on the back of the passenger seat. There's rear climate controls back here, 2 USB ports, and a 110 volt power outlet, so your passengers can plug in a laptop if they want. Push this, there's 2 cup holders right there, and the seat does fold up so people can get into the rear seating area. You can just press this button right here. Boom. Just like that. I love how it's electronic. Now people can get in back here. I'll just put up the headrest here. Nice. And then all you gotta do is push it back down, lift it back up. This button here puts the headrest down. Directional air vents up top, and there's reading lamps. And handle right here, so your passengers can easily get in back here. Come to the back here of the Ford Explorer. There are parking sensors on the back, nice badges as well. Rear window wiper. This does have a power liftgate. Put your hand underneath here, press the button, and it opens up right before your eyes, just like that. And back here, there's tons of storage space for whatever you want. There's some extra mats here. Underneath this is the spare tire. There's a convenience light. On the left side, there is a power outlet. And the rear seats do fold down very easily. You can just press stow, and boom, they stow for you right before your eyes. I love it. Just by the push of a button, they both go down. Excellent. Now look how much space there is back here for you to haul things. It's amazing. People sitting in the rear seating area have cup holders, so they can have drinks and little storage areas as well. You want the seats back up? Not a problem. Just press the normal and they go back up like so. This is the future right here. Excellent. Then all you gotta do is fold the headrests up. Let's say you just want to fold them down and you just want one side to fold down, you don't want the other side to fold down. Not a problem. You can either lock the right or left side so nothing happens. So I'll lock the left side here and I'll press fold. Now it'll just be the left side that will fold down. Really neat. There you go. And then we can just press normal, and again it just comes right back up. There is a subwoofer right here on the right side. Great view of the interior. Directional air vents for the rear seating area. There's an interior light for the rear seating area as well, and it can act as a reading lamp. Just push the button there and your passengers can turn on and off the lamp if they need it. You know what? I might as well just show you the other side too. Boom. Look at this. I love it. Excellent. And normal. Good to go. And to put back down the liftgate, you can either use your hand by pulling the handle right here, or you can press this button right here and it comes right back down right before your eyes. And the back camera is underneath the Explorer badge right there. Here is the key fob. There's an unlock button, a lock button, remote start, panic button, and button to open up the power liftgate. To remote start this vehicle, just press this twice. To pop open the liftgate, just press that twice. And there's a nice Ford badge on the back. You can keep this in your pocket, or you could put it down below here in the storage area where there is a USB port and a power outlet. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, go over to the side here and press the push button start button. And that starts up the 2017 Ford Explorer Sport. You got a large speedometer in the middle of the screen, and this Explorer only has 28,489 kilometers on it. Not very much at all. So come on down to Crosstown and see if this is going to be yours. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we can go through this information center on the left side. Hit OK right there. So you have your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold the OK button and you can reset that. Also tells you your distance till empty on your tank of fuel. You have a driver assist area, traction control, blind spot radar, cross traffic alert, cruise control, pre-collision, trailer sway. Neat. You have settings here so you can customize it. You have a trip 1 calculator and a trip 2 calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, and the time you've been driving for. Hold the OK button and you can reset that very easily. Display mode. You have a tachometer right there with your fuel gauge, tachometer with the fuel gauge and a temperature gauge. You have tire pressures for all 4 tires, the fuel gauge and the tachometer, a digital speedometer, intelligent 4-wheel drive, and down here in the middle is your intelligent 4-wheel drive. So we have different modes. So turn it here. There is mud rut mode. There is sand mode, and there is snow, gravel, and grass mode. Very neat. I like it a lot. I'll put this back in normal mode, and this does have hill descent assist. And distance till empty on your tank of fuel, and back to the tachometer. On the right side here, it tells you time, there's a compass, and you're using buttons on the right side of the steering wheel now. So you have your entertainment. Audio's turned off, but you can turn it on by pressing the button in the middle right there. And it tells you what song or artist or what radio station you're on, your media. Navigation, the compass. Bluetooth area here is no phone connected, but if you have a phone connected, you can actually pick a contact and call them, which is really cool. Otherwise, I'm just going to put that back. There we go. I like how it changes colors. It's really neat. And if you open up any door on this Ford Explorer, I'll let you know which door on the vehicle is open, and also remind you if the engine is on. I think that's really neat. Close this back up. Of course, a directional air vent right here on the left. Directional air vents in the middle. Sony premium audio sound system, heated and ventilated seats up front, 3-zone climate control. Press this here. There's a camera built into the front of the Ford Explorer. Press it again. It's still the front camera. Really cool. This turns off the parking sensors. This Ford Explorer has driver's seat presets, and you can save up to 3 presets, and by the push of a button the driver's seat will adjust your preset settings. This has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it with dimmer buttons there. That button will turn on the fog lights. This turns on the interior lighting. You have a tow button there, and you can pop open the power liftgate, power adjustable pedals, power adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, audio controls on the steering wheel with voice recognition. If I throw this Ford into reverse, the backup camera appears on the touchscreen here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're gonna go. And there's 2 big cup holders in the middle. Nice materials here for arms to rest on. Open this up. There's a large storage area right here, and this right here is a USB port. And this comes out if you need it to. GPS navigation gives you a great view of a map. Put in an address, I'll show you how to get to where you want to go. And you can zoom in and zoom out on the map. It says AM, FM radio, SiriusXM, and Bluetooth connectivity, and so much more. This touchscreen system is very easy to use. Definitely come check it out sometime soon. There's also a CD player right here. Lots of visibility out the front window. In front of me is Crosstown, looking nice. Auto dimming rear view mirror, push button reading lamps up here, and there's also buttons for the power sunroof. So you can open this up and it gives you a great view of the sky above you. It also lets in lots of fresh air, and easily close it back up like that. Overall, the Ford Explorer is a very good looking and spacious SUV that has seating for up to 6 people. Definitely come down to Crosstown and check out this vehicle soon. It's the 2017 Ford Explorer Sport in white platinum pearl tri-coat, powered by the 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 engine underneath the hood. It's at Crosstown Chrysler. Book a test drive today. It's waiting for you.